Good day, doctor. We are from Group 15. My name is Chang Kim Yong, entry number 2711579. So these are our group members. I will represent about the introduction and information management. So let's begin. Our company have chosen Sumatra, Indonesia to build a new railway system which connect North Sumatra with South Sumatra between Palembang, Jambi, Pekanbaru, Dumai, Rantau Prapat and Pematang Siantar. The railway project distance will be around 1,000 km. We also will upgrade the current 3 railway networks at Sumatra, which are Northern Sumatra Railway, West Sumatra Railway and Southern Sumatra Railway. The reason we choose Indonesia to build the railway project because it has high population. The recent population at Indonesia is around 270 million. Secondly, it has stable demand of passenger services. Public rail system at Sumatra and Java carries over 200 million passengers per year. Lastly, it has severe transportation problems which caused by insufficient route transport infrastructure such as urban public transport and the increasing of motorizing. Therefore, we can say that the transport system development in Indonesia does not keep pace with the population and urbanization. Our company sees the strong potential of Indonesia Railway to be developed. The purpose of our railway project is to increase the sustainability and efficiency of the transport system to develop Indonesia economic growth in long term. We aim to satisfy and fulfill the passenger needs and economy. Secondly, provide a high quality and safe railway to the passenger. Thirdly, design and function are adapted to the passenger needs and environmentally friendly. Next, promote positive regional development. Lastly, we aim to offer equal railway project which correspond with the transport demand of both men and women. Our company has chosen to build MRT mass rapid transit at Sumatra, Indonesia, because it can build in city, metropolitan area and agglomeration. It puts an enhanced speed level and travel longer distance. It's suited for transportation outside the city, and it has high capacity to fetch more passengers. Therefore, we choose to build MRT at Indonesia.
Good day, doctor. My name is Lau Jun Xiang, entry number 271811. So now I'll present about the problem and issue happening in Indonesia transport system. The first one is accident cases of Indonesia. And based on the table above, we can see that number of road accident in South Sumatra, Palembang, always stay in 100 cases every year and reach the highest level during 2019, which showed 652 cases. While on table 2.2, we can see that most of the passenger and freight will be carried through road transport, which show a total of 84.1 and 91.3% respectively. Hence, the increased usage of motorbike and private car will cause high accident rate. And the next one is road transport integration problem due to different land surface in the whole Sumatra Island. The government have to redesign, make adjustment of land contour and develop additional linkage to complement the road network in order to create interconnectivity at existing and planned transport hubs such as airport. And the third one is overcrowded of rail transport due to increase of demand. And based on the graph, the total rail passenger keep increase and reach the highest level on 2016, which showed 351.2 million. So the rapid urbanization of Indonesia will cause overcrowd of railway passenger and may occur safety issue in railway operation. The next one is use of private vehicle in Indonesia will affect environmental issue, public transport service and also heavy road congestion. And the high usage rate of private vehicle will cause railway line closure, heavy congestion and bring environmental impact such as release 23% of greenhouse gas emission and cause damage of infrastructure. And also Indonesia facing lack of rail transport service and rail infrastructure problem, and there are only several commuter service provided in urban city and the current connectivity of rail transport is very limited and non-existent. Indonesia rail transport service also facing infrastructure problems such as deterioration of paint and bridge members, overuse of rail track and non-standardization of railway signaling system. So last but not least is service quality problem. Current railway service still not able to ensure high quality service and fulfill customer expectation, and the lack of maintenance, delay of schedule and lack of signaling due to electrical shortage will affect the service quality of the train. While in the dimension of comfort and appearance, the overload of capacity will reduce the comfort level of the passenger, and also the scarce and unreliable of safety train service such as derailment and overcapacity will cause a low usage rate of rail transport.
So to solve the problem, the development process of the rail station in Sumatra, Indonesia has been recommended. In the new railway, there are 6 rail stations with development located in the Pematang Siantar, Rantau Prapat, Dumai, Pekanbaru, Jambi and Pelabeng at a total of the length around 1,000 km. In the proposal of the development new railway system, there are a lot of aspects to be considered. In the rail track, the components are subgrade, ballast, sleeper, rail, fastening, and fishbed. The material used for subgrade is measured by California bearing ratio to measure the strength of the material. The material of the ballast is crushed stone, and the material of the sleeper is using a consistent sleeper. The track gauge of the new railway system is using 1435mm as well as the new railway is double track railway. For the aspect of the rail terminal, Pematang Siantar, Rantau Prapat, and Dumai will be on the ground level, while Pekanbaru, Jambi, and Balaban will be on the underground level. The rail terminal should have complete facilities to fulfill the demand of the railway transport. The facility include the ticket vending machine, waiting rooms, escalator, lifts, taxi warning script, train approaching announcement, toilet, customer service counter, platform, taxi and bus stop, and luggage cart, as well as provide the specific facility for disabled people, such as taxi warning script, lift, and elevator. For the new railway system, the platform is used. In the new railway, the train gauge may begin the same as a rail gauge of 1435mm. 15 trains of 6 cars will be entitled by French rolling stock manufacturer Alstom Transport, and the train names Alstom Metropolis C7518. Each train capacity on accommodate for 240 seats at the maximum. Each train has provided a lot of the facilities such as emergency exits, emergency communication button, door unlock handles, door conceal indicator, priority seat, and wheelchair bay. The Alstom Metropolis C7518 is using the electric engine as a real line voltage power and is a 1500 V DC traction electric multiple unit that is powered by electricity. It receives power from overhead centenary and uses an onboard transformer to adjust the voltage to the appropriate level.
Okay, now I'll continue the train operation and management in dimension of signaling system. So signaling can be defined as a function which can convey information about the behavior of a system or attribute of some phenomena to ensure trains are between a safe distance with each other and run according to the schedule. And in our railway station, interlocking system will be based on UK standard by equipped with track circuit to detect occupation of the train. And also interlocking road will be set free if all points were properly positioned and locked. While for multi-aspect light color signal, our company plan to use 4 aspects of signal light with 3 clear blocks, and we will plan to place the distance signal far away from the signal protecting entrance to give the train driver an early warning sign. Hence, it can allow better track occupancy, reduce the speed, and ensure the safety of the train.
In safety measurement, the aspects should be considered are ensure new MRT railway construction follow all the safety measurement by inch, investigate the technology and precautionary measure in depth, and create contingency plans and conduct regular safety exercise. In the part of human resource, the activity includes staff recruitment, staff training, track organization designing, labor union agreements, etc. In the proposal, it needs requirement customer service staff, security guard, assistant station master, and station master, and management team to operate the rail terminal. Provide the training to the staff is necessary. For the track organization, geographical organization structure will be used.
For the information management, our company uses big data analysis, Internet of Things perception, computing, and GIS/BIM to build a big data intelligence platform for the railway project. Our complete big data architecture consists of several physical systems, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things all work together to create smart railway. It used in the operation and maintenance of our railway project. Building information modeling enables complete virtual project planning. It increases the quality of planning and construction management as well as future maintenance and renewal. Geography Information System is a system for creating, managing, analyzing, and mapping various data types in our railway project.
When we are proposing a new construction over the North Sumatra to the South Sumatra, we will consider all the safety measurement by inch. This project will give a priority for the personal safety and also train safety. When constructing a track for the railway track that is already in operation, safety must be come first. As a result, the work pertaining to the protection and also schedule should be meticulously planned, and it should be ensured that during the window period, the track will be clear and all the employees will need to be fingered off from the operation line. In addition, the procedure cannot be take place when the time is blocked off. Yeah, apart from that, there is no way for the employees, equipment, and also material to cross the safety border. Moreover, the developer will be investigate the technology and also precautionary measurement in depth. Before constructing can be begin, the construction industry must first comply with the procedure and practice outlined in the railway department safety management laws, as well as the plan and carry out any necessary safety training work. Prior to send the start of the building works, technology explain need to be completed. In addition, it is important for keep a close eye on the construction site technology, safety, quality throughout the project, as well as the examining the quality of the finished job, prevent creating to prevent any creating damage to the bridge of structures and also any other construction areas. Lastly, we will create a contingency plan and also conduct regular safety exercise. For example, implementing safety first precautionary precautionary steps approach require many little steps for one of the. We will create contingency plan and also conduct regular safety exercises. For example, implementing the safety first precautionary vital approach requires. Lastly, we will create a contingency plan and also create a regular safety exercise. For example, we will implement safety first precautionary plan in between the construction area employees and also with others. The task structure, duty, and also separation of labor are all included in these aspects. Knowledge of the precautionary to take while work is being done on active railway will be a high speed railway of.
My name is Lai Soon Kian and my question number is 269629, and I will continue to present about the impact to transport policy. The first one is technology transfer. Technology transfer can reduce the dependence of the technology from overseas to optimize the domestic rail industry. Technology transfer can implement the railway system and create a new innovation that have speed optimization where can reduce the time travel and digitalization of the railway system. Technology transfer can increase the fitness between railway industries such as volume of freight and passengers that carry. Technology transfer can give the opportunity for trading activities such as transporting raw material by implemented the multimodal transport. Next, the railway tariff policy. The railway tariff is the tariff that charged by the railway administration and helps reduce the financial burden from the economic class train with low tariff. The train industry must pay the infrastructure cost because the railway facilities belong to the government. The charge is based on the weight per kilometer or volume per kilometer of each cargo between a cargo owner or the railway industry itself. The railway tariff can be negotiated because rail industry also has the competitive with the trucking industry. Setting up the railway tariff policy can influence the rail industry performance and profit. The next is the impact to tourism. The tourists can use the rail transport to travel from one point to another point in Indonesia because the rail transport is connected with many kinds of infrastructure and facilities such as airports, seaport. Rail transport can give more convenience and portable service to the tourists because the speed of the train is fast, can shorten the time travel and also carry more passengers. It also can develop the green tourism by using rail transport. This is because it can provide a low carbon emission and can reduce the congestion time and cost consumption. It also can provide a comfortable journey, business class seat, food and beverage, and other facilities in the train to the tourists. Rail transport will stop at one station and allow the tourists to visit the place and buy some souvenirs. With this, it can enhance the economic growth by foreign exchange rate. In conclusion, the railway system proposal from Northern Sumatra to Southern Sumatra provide mobility and accessibility to the community on that area. Railway development need to be implemented to prevent overcrowding of passengers and at the same time can provide the integration of other modes of transport for the community. By developing rail transportation over South and North Sumatra, the country able to generate more income where the trains are more eco-friendly compared to other modes of transport. For recommendation, it can increase the service quality that was observable from operator to consumer. Online-based service became necessary at the present time. It can enhance the online system that would make the service simpler, which would therefore allow it to reduce the regular expenditure associated with the running of railway service. It also can enhance the online system may be useful for preserving client loyalty and reaching a large number of customers through private modes of transportation as well as rail transit. The level of accountability that the service provider display for their work can be improved by focusing on aspects of the customer experience such as safety and comfortability. That's all from our group. Thank you.